Introducing the stunning 2022 Volkswagen ID.4 PRO with all the features you could dream of. From the stylish blue exterior to the comfortable and tech-savvy interior, this car has it all. With safety features like ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the vehicle has been fully checked and serviced to manufacturer's specifications and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for more information on this fantastic vehicle.